Satsang is only to continuously inspire you tirelessly. How your mother will wake you up tirelessly. Indian mothers will nag you and wake you up. They will make sure you get up in time and go to school every day. That's the beauty of Indian mothers. My satsang is like Indian mother, waking you up every day, reminding you about the absolute every day, awakening you every day. Satsang is only to continuously inspire you tirelessly. How your mother will wake you up tirelessly. Indian mothers will nag you and wake you up. They will make sure you get up in time and go to school every day. That's the beauty of Indian mothers. My satsang is like Indian mother, waking you up every day, reminding you about the absolute every day, awakening you every day.
Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
Nityananda, oh.
सच्चिदानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the Sarvanya Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kottari, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas, E-Gurukul students, Kailasas, NHU students, Kailasas ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals, and supporters, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras, Paramashiva Ganas, Paramashivoham Season 11 participants. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailas. Intense will persistence raises you from your Jakrat, wakeful state to awakened state, from awakened state to alive state. There are 5 states of consciousness, waking state, which all of you are now in. Above this state is awakened state, Turiya, alive state, Turiya Atita. Below the waking state is dream state and deep sleep state. Listen, waking state. Jakrat. In Sanskrit, we call it Jakrat. English, waking state. Below this waking state is dream state, Swapna. Below the Swapna, deep sleep state, Sushupti. Sushupti, deep sleep. Swapna, dream. Jakrat, waking state. Turiya, awakened state. Turiya Atita, alive state. These 5 layers are 5 levels of states of your consciousness. Is your life. Intensity, intensely awakened state, leads to alive, Turiya Atita, in you. I tell you, neither what you consider as external achievements, nor the external capabilities can define you. They can all be one of your glories, like one ornament, but they cannot be the definition of you. Definition of you is in which state you feel cute about you. Do you feel very cute about you sleeping all the time? Or do you feel very cute about your dream state? Do you feel very cute about your waking state? Or do you feel very cute about your awakened state? Or do you feel very cute about your alive, all powerful state? In which state you feel very cute about you all matters. Stop wasting your energy in making others feel cute about you. Understand, the whole world is stupid, dash, 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 frustrated, beep, 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 beep. Understand? Nobody feels cute even about themselves. Why will they feel cute about you? Just dump the shit of putting your energy and attention, time, treasure, talent in making others feel cute about you. Pooh. It's like you are wasting your whole life for pig shit. Stop. Decide in which state you feel cute about you. That's all is life. Let your taste get matured. Listen. Your taste in which state of consciousness you feel cute about you should get matured. In the initial level, you may feel very cute about this sleep. That is why you are literally married to your bed, and Nidra Devi is your Ishta Devata. Rolling on your bed is your Anga Pradakshina. That is your mantra. Or the dream state is a state you feel very cute about you. That is why the laziness is not part of your life. It is part and parcel of your life. Like lifestyle. Understand? Matured person is a person who feels cute about his higher states of consciousness. Even if it is just few minutes, few seconds. If you feel cute about your awakened state, an alive state. Whenever I sit for my morning puja, I feel so cute about me. I'll tell you exactly how I feel in my puja. I feel like me sitting in this body and as Paramashiva. It is both me worshipping, celebrating my own existence. My Vyakta, my manifest, is worshipping my unmanifest, my Avyakta. My manifest is worshipping my unmanifest. My part is worshipping my whole. So I will sit sometime even 5-6 hours. Even now, I will sit casually, one by one. I'll talk to each god elaborately. More than the idea of each god, each manifestation of Paramashiva. The Ganapati is also manifestation of Paramashiva. All gods and goddesses are manifestation of Paramashiva. How you feel cute about you, in which state you feel cute about you, that is your maturity. Five states of consciousness. See, the permutation combination of these 5 states leads to another 25 states. That's different. But these 5 are the basic unit states of consciousness. Your concept of life, death, sex, wealth, purpose of life, goal of life, methodology of life, everything changes based on the state you start celebrating your existence. If you celebrate the dream state of you as the best way of existence, then more and more you will get addicted to pornography, drugs, this delusion inducing lifestyle. You will get more and more addicted to delusion inducing products, goods, services, pornography and drugs. Don't think it's a coincidence that both of them are always together. It's not coincidence. Both of them are dream inducing. Both of them induce the same kind of taste and state in you. That's why the drugs and porn are very closely associated. The state you enjoy decides. The state you enjoy decides the products, the lifestyle, the purpose, the goal, all this you are going to entertain, engage in your life. Person who enjoys his dream state or deep sleep state can never tolerate neem juice or castor oil. If you start enjoying neem juice and castor oil every day, your body will never let you destroy, waste your life in dream state or deep sleep state. You will have deep sleep the number of hours you need to keep yourself healthy. Maybe maximum 2 or 3 hours only deep sleep you need. Another 2-3 hours dream state you need to keep yourself healthy. Cope up with the reality and all five states of consciousness. If you take regularly these few herbs, Adimaduram, malic acid, castor oil, neem juice, you don't even need 3-4 hours of dream state. I tell you. Especially this Adimaduram, malic acid and all rebuilds your muscles so powerfully. Your nervous system will be so alive. You will never need hours of dream state to keep yourself fit, healthy, awake. I insist at least all my disciples to add these few items in your food directly or indirectly. Even if you can't take neem juice, you are feeling take neem tablets. The neem tablets are available, very organic. Neem tablets are available all over the world. Take 2 tablets. That is okay. That is enough. You will see that the quality of your consciousness starts raising. Understand, the food is directly responsible for the quality of your consciousness. I am working in a large scale organizing all the ancient scriptures my gurus taught me on this alchemy science. I am already planning. Hindus have a great thing to contribute to the humanity. The alchemy science of states of consciousness is unique to Hindus and Hindu tradition. Just by the herbs, the higher states of consciousness is induced in you. Not like drugs, no. Through the pure meditation and herbs, the highest states of consciousness is induced, and whatever you see in that state of consciousness will be directly manifesting in you as powers. I already have selected list of my sannyasis who are doctors and the first circle, devotees and disciples. I want the doctors team to sit with me and work and document the whole happening. Mahatma Priya, Taras Murugai, Prema Kodandraman, big doctors list, Santana Lakshmi, I already started collecting the scriptures. Sona Kamath, sitting and documenting all the happenings. Adimaduram makes you so energetic. See, I'm already like a hyper baby. With Adimaduram, what will happen? Even if I rest for 2-3 hours, my team knows some big 6-7 projects are going to be downloaded and revealed to them. Understand, wealth is all about the time you spend in higher consciousness. In higher consciousness, you just know how to work with the system. Whether you want to have money or you want to have health or you want to have influence or anything, you just know the simple, straight methodology. Strength of Hindus is their ability to retain the higher states of consciousness for more number of hours per day. That is why anywhere they go, richest ethnic community, Hindus, any country they go, whether it's a US or Canada or UK, any country, you find Hindu settlement. Trinidad Tobago, richest ethnic community. It is because their ability to retain the higher states of consciousness for a longer number of hours in the system. Every day start sleeping with the wet towel on the stomach. Even that will help you in a very big way to live in higher states of consciousness. Either keep ice cubes or the wet towel on your stomach before you fall asleep, and don't eat anything after sunset. You start following this, the raise in your consciousness, super consciousness, will happen. I tell you. I want the human beings who start living in awakened state Turiya and alive state Turiya Atita, their whole day. Only those kind of people I want as Vidyeshwara, Mantreshwara, Astreshwara, Lokeshwara, ministers, consulate generals, e-diplomats. That is why I am teaching this science continuously. So I can raise all of you, then you can become part of the Kailasa administration. Every action I do, every satsang I am giving, I have a reason. I am seriously looking for the people who will become part of the Kailasa administration, Kailasa government. Understand, the Kailasa has a huge responsibility of organizing and administering the religious and spiritual needs of the whole world, and especially focusing 200 million means 2 billion. Sorry, better let me tell in the Indian way of calculating, 200 crore. The 200 crore Hindus, 2 billion Hindus, it's a huge responsibility. 200 crore is 2 billion. Born and practicing Hindus, both together, I roughly calculate as 2 billion, 200 crore all over the world. It's our responsibility to support all the spiritual needs, religious needs, in a very organized way. A large scale work. So we need people who are very, very, very active, alive, 24/7, want to help human beings, enrich the world. I am also segregating the Kailasa project into secular nature and spiritual nature, like sitting and teaching, powerful cognitions, helping people make manifest powers. These are all spiritual nature. The secular nature is building the website, raising the organization structure, making entities all over the world. All this secular nature work. Secular nature work can be done even by the employed people, people who work for a salary, recruited people. But the spiritual nature work can be done only by sannyasis or the full-time dedicated Kailasavasis. I am evolving a very powerful long-term structure. We need lots of people who experience awakened and alive state, sannyasis and grihasthas, full-time Kailasavasis, to do the spiritual work. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtam Manyante Sa Atma Sa Vigneya. The Turiya state is the state of peace, state of Shiva, state of oneness that is considered to be the state of Turiya. That's the real self. It has to be realized and experienced. This is Mandukya Upanishad, 7th verse. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtam Manyante Sa Atma Sa Vigneyaha. We need more and more people who realize this state, who are working on this state, who developed taste for this state. To administer the Kailasa. I want all the Apat Sannyasis and Brahmacharis, Brahmacharinis, Balasans who want to be part of this spiritual administrations to start practicing wherever you are as on now. Start, because soon I'll gather all of you for the higher training. We need at least 10,000 to do only spiritual work. See, all the other work like building a website or building a bank or building a legal infrastructure, all that can be done even by secular, the people who are paid salary, we can hire, and we can even franchise. But the spiritual work cannot be franchised. We can't hire. We really, really, really need thousands and thousands of people who taste this Turiya and Turiyatita state to be part of the Hindu parliament and to administer Kailasa. The spiritual needs of Hindus. Understand, these three books are going to be the basic introduction books. Upanishads, 108 Upanishads, compiled by Sri Ramachandra Prabhu. Bhagavad Gita, compiled by Sri Krishna. Brahma Sutras, compiled by Vyasa. This three is going to form the basis introduction book of Kailasa. Introduction book of Kailasa is this three book. Of course, all the three are rooted, centered on Vedas and Agamas. So, this three will be the introduction to Kailasa and Hinduism. We need large number of people who experience this science so it can be shared with the world. Nation building can be done by hired staff, but enlightened civilization building can be done only by enlightened beings. Understand, Kailasa has two layers: enlightened civilization and nation. From the time I am born, I am working on reviving the enlightened civilization. And last 26 years, I am working on reviving the Kailasa nation. Kailasa, the enlightened civilization, I am working to revive from the time I am born. Kailasa, the nation, I am working to revive from the age of 16. Kailasa, the nation, can be built, infrastructure can be created even by hired, the salaried people. But Kailasa, the enlightened civilization, can be revived only by people who experience Turiyan, Turiyatita within themselves. So stop feeling stop working to make others feel cute about you. Stop expecting to make others feel cute about you. Feel cute about your own Turiya state, Turyadita state. Work for that. Stop feeling, stop working, stop expecting that others should feel cute about you. No, don't waste time. All the human beings are so frustrated in deep, neck deep shit. They don't feel cute even about themselves. Why will they feel cute about you? Dump the opinion of others. You decide to feel cute about your higher states of consciousness and start raising your states of consciousness. That's the only way you will achieve the ultimate. I have to conclude the satsang early due to the technical glitch, and that's the reason I am not going to be giving Tamil satsang today, but soon we will settle. We are settling it, we will settle, and I'll increase the timing of the English satsang and start giving even Tamil satsang. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्री कैलासोन्नतद्वादशान्त श्यामला पीठारूढ श्री मीनाक्षि सुन्दरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिवपुत्र रत्न कुमार गुरुमण्यतुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपानलब्ध दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संघ सद्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्ययापवर्ग वर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमत कलभ केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरु क्षपण शाक्यादि महांधकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हार्ह ध्वजोच्छेदन पूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्त्रे सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामिनां अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ सर्वज्ञ पीठ त्रिनवत्युत्तर द्विशततम गुरु महासन्निधान अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परम्परागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञपीठ गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत काञ्ची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान नित्योत्सव नित्यमङ्गल नित्यकल्याण नित्यरजित कैलास परम्परागत आदिकैलास नित्यानन्दपीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठकर्तः साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परम्परागत वैवस्वत मनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चन्द्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचन्द्र शूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ति परम्परागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मण्डित चतुष्षष्टि सम्प्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्म शासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गी साम्राज्य मूर्धाभिषिक्त चूडामणे साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणिपीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वर साक्षात् श्री परमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्त गणनायक श्री महागणपति समारंभ अनवच्छिन्न पीठाधीश्वर गुरु परंपरा प्राप्त अटल पीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठ त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत आदिपीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ जगद्गुरो श्री कैलास पुनरुद्धारक श्री कैलास परमाचार्य श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ श्रीमज्जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिन् अत्रागत्य परिपाल्य च अस्मान् विज्ञान वितरणेन विजयी भव जय जय।